Pat's Listening English. Clear stories for your ears. Here we go. Good morning. Did you sleep well?
Morning. Yeah, pretty well considering the jet lag.
Me too. I'm full of energy today.
Great. I've got a meeting until around 2 p.m. How about we meet in the lobby at 3?
Sounds perfect. I'll explore a bit near the hotel while you're working.
Just be careful with the traffic. They drive on the left here.
Oh, right. Look right first, then left. I'll remember that.
See you later. Have fun.
Good luck with your meeting.
Thanks.
See you later. Hey! How did the meeting go?
It went really well, actually. Everyone was super polite and professional.
That's British people for you, right? So gentlemanly and ladylike.
Exactly. No rushing, no raising voices. Just calm and kind. Anyway, I'm all yours now. Where should we start?
Hyde Park. I heard it's beautiful and huge.
Good choice. It's not far. We can walk or take the tube.
Let's walk. I want to soak up the atmosphere.
Great idea. The streets are lovely this time of year.
Wow. Look at these buildings. So historic and elegant.
Yeah. London's full of architecture like this. Hundreds of years old, but still stunning.
And there's so much green, even this time of year. Trees everywhere, even in the city center.
That's one of the things I love about London. Parks are everywhere. Hyde Park is one of the biggest. Perfect for a relaxing walk.
It's the festive season now, isn't it? I can see Christmas lights starting to appear.
Yes. It really feels like Christmas is just around the corner.
This place is amazing. It feels like we're in the countryside, not in a huge city.
Right? People come here to relax, have picnics, or even ride horses.
Look at that lake. So peaceful.
That's the Serpentine. You can rent boats in summer.
We should come back when it's warmer.
Definitely.
Everyone here looks so polite. Even when they pass by. They smile or say sorry if they get close.
British politeness is real. Sorry, please, and thank you. All the time.
I love it. It makes everything feel refined and welcoming.
Are you getting hungry by any chance?
Starving. All this walking has made me really hungry.
How about classic fish and chips?
Yes, I've been looking forward to that.
There's a great traditional pub nearby. They do proper fish and chips.
Proper? That sounds very British.
Haha. Yeah. We say proper when something's authentic and done right.
Good afternoon. Table for two?
Yes, please.
This way, please. Would you like to see the menu?
Yes, please.
Could we have 2 fish and chips, please? And 2 still mineral waters as well, right?
Yeah. Still, please. No bubbles.
Of course. Coming right up.
Wow. This smells incredible.
Fresh cod in light, crispy batter. Nothing beats proper British fish and chips.
Mmm. It's absolutely delicious. The fish is flaky, and the chips are thick and fluffy inside.
Glad you like it. Simple food, but done right.
It's comforting somehow.
Yeah, that's what people mean by comfort food.
This kind of simple, hearty food really feels like British home cooking.
It does. Especially in winter. Food here is often about warmth rather than flash.
I like that. It feels honest. It actually reminds me of something.
Oh yeah? Like what?
A British friend once made shepherd's pie from scratch for me. Minced lamb with vegetables, topped with creamy mashed potatoes, baked until golden.
That's the traditional version. Shepherd's pie uses lamb. If it's beef, it's called cottage pie.
I didn't know that at the time, but it tasted amazing. So comforting and filling. And around this time of year, she also made Christmas pudding by hand.
That's a real Christmas tradition here.
She started preparing it weeks or even months in advance, mixing dried fruits and spices, and traditionally a bit of brandy. Then she steamed it for hours and let it rest so the flavors could develop. The aroma filled the whole house.
Sounds magical. Exactly. Some families even make it months ahead. And feed it a little over time. It's not about the alcohol. It's about depth of flavor and tradition.
That makes sense. It's more about care than ingredients.
That's British cooking in a nutshell.
This still water is perfect with all this crispy food.
Yeah. It keeps things nice and light.
That was perfect. I feel so content right now, especially with all these Christmas memories coming back.
Me too. Good food, a beautiful park, and great company. London does it so well in the festive season.
I totally respect this city. The history, the nature, the people. Everything feels balanced and charming.
Couldn't agree more.
Thank you for today. Even though you had work, you made time for this.
Of course. Sharing London with you made it even better.
I can't wait for tomorrow. Big Ben? London Eye?
All of it. And maybe proper afternoon tea?
With milk in the tea?
Proper British style.
I'm in. London is even more wonderful than I imagined, especially in the festive season. And sharing these little moments with Noah makes it unforgettable. Thanks for listening.
See you next story.